I like it with vacuum cleaners. The 80s, 90s vacuum cleaners.
Yeah,
When you put the bag in, you never fight with it. Fucking bastard. Fucking fucker. Fucking twat. You know what I mean? Fucking put your vacuum bag in and stuff like that. But that's what it is. You know what I mean? I fucking argue with a fucking vacuum cleaner. Nobody knows how to argue with a vacuum cleaner because it does all that fucking thingy, you fucking smoke. Yeah. Oh my god, I got to breathe. I got to breathe right now. You know what I mean? It's like fucking back in the 80s and 90s were more fun. Nowadays it's easy to be I'm better than you, got a better phone than you. You know what I mean? Look at you used to play out and stuff like that and have an argument with a vacuum cleaner or have an argument with some household items. Especially computer games, you have an argument with computer games as well. You always have an argument with something. You notice that when you were a kid and stuff like that, you have an argument with some fucking item. Fucking doll fall down, you fucking bastard. Peace out.